What if I told you that you can now grow your channel from 0 subscribers to as many subscribers you want with this proven kinds of videos? Okay, check out this channel called AI Video 2 and confirm what I just said. I stumbled on their channel sometimes around last week and started making research about how they produced their videos. And I finally found it. This is why I'm here to share it. Before we move on, just click the subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel. Have you done that? Alright, let's move on. I had to check out when this channel started. It's even less than 4 months, and they got themselves such a huge following. I think let me play a clip of one of their videos and check out an assessment.
करती है और पेड़ काटती है और लकड़ियां ले जाकर शहर में बेचती है। एक दिन गाय लकड़ी लेकर शहर में जा रही थी, तभी कुछ हरामी बन।
I am sure you hooked onto the video till the end and even probably watched it more than once. This is how this channel had hooked all the audience that come across their videos. It's your turn to do so. Let's begin. Step 1. First step is to go to ChatGPT and write a short story and convert into polished version from ChatGPT. I have already done this, but I will leave this short prompt in a doc form in the description should in case you need it. Now that we already have our polished story, the next step is to visualize it. I had to ask ChatGPT to break my story into 15 scenes. You can choose any number of scenes depending on your storyline. Once ChatGPT has broken down your stories into the requested scenes, the next step is to ask it to create detailed image prompt for each scenes. Make sure there's consistency in all your image generation, and you will do that by carefully scrutinizing the prompts and instructions you give ChatGPT. Okay, after ChatGPT has generated the 15 scenes prompts. Step 2. Let's head now to Microsoft Designer and log into your Gmail account. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for short videos. Copy the first prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the designer's prompt box. Click Generate and wait for the result. Microsoft Designer will provide you with 4 image options. Go through them and pick the one that matches your concepts and storyline. Once you have chosen your favorite, save it to your device. While trying to create these images, some prompts might need tweaking to maintain the consistency in generation, so please don't hesitate to do so when you need to. Check out for little errors in background descriptions. You all are smart enough to understand what I am saying. So basically take your time and do these for all the 15 scenes prompts. Make sure to save them as you are generating it. Okay, watch me do a few more before we move to the next step. You can also generate the same images using Leonardo AI. Here's how you do it. Open Leonardo AI website and log in, or create a new account. Select Image Creation. Navigate to the Image Creation section. Select the Phoenix 0.9% model for generating your visuals. Set the image style to dynamic for vibrant and engaging visuals. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box in Leonardo AI. Don't forget to adjust the image size to 9:16 for vertical short compatibility. Hit Generate and wait for the result. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt for every remaining scene until you've gotten all the visuals ready. Step 3. Open the Hailuo AI website. Click on Create and select Image to Video from the options. Upload all the images you have saved from Microsoft Designer or Leonardo AI. Copy the exact prompt you use in ChatGPT and paste it into the provided prompt box in Hailuo AI. Continue uploading and converting all the images to video of every scene. Do this one by one so that you have a complete video in no time. Now that you have converted all your images to video using Hailuo AI, it's time to save them on your device. Now that you have saved all your video from Hailuo AI, step 4. It's time to moving on to adding them all on CapCut for editing. Here's how you do it. Open CapCut, then import all the videos you saved from Hailuo AI. Drag and drop them in order into the timeline, and arrange them according to their scenes in your storyline. Make sure the transitions in between every scene flow smoothly. As you arrange each clips, check whether each aligns with your storyline. Adjust the duration of each clip if necessary. Add the voiceover. You can get voiceovers from Speechify, 11 Labs, or any other voiceover generating tool. All you have to do is to copy the story into a file and upload it on any of these voiceover generating tools and let it generate a suitable voiceover. Then you can download, save it, and import it into CapCut, and then do the necessary adjustments to align the voiceover with the video. You can add background music to it, then export it out of CapCut. This is how it looked after these processes.
Mr. Cow was plowing, weeding, and watering his farm one fateful day when he noticed a bear has entered into his farm and was destroying his crops, especially his bananas and plantain. He confronted the bear and asked him to stop. The bear pounced on him and started beating him. He narrowly escaped from the bear and made a distress call to the police. Just in time, the police came to the scene and arrested the bear and took him away. Mr. Cow was happy.
You can then upload these videos on YouTube Shorts. These kinds of shorts rapidly goes viral. You know why? Because these kinds of shorts are rare, and not everyone knows how to produce such videos. So be among the first to start this niche before it goes viral. Before leaving, drop a comment, a like, and subscribe to our AITECH.